Welcome everybody. This is your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. And today we're going to talk about Manchester United, Ten Hag, and the new regime that he's going to bring into Manchester United. So looking forward to that. Also talking about a little bit about the Reggae Girls and the group of games that's coming up from on the 4th of July to the 18th. It's going to be a rough qualifying round, and I'm hoping that we can get a first or a second out of it, see what we can do from there. But it's going to be a tough challenge. But we'll see. But anyway, referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. So let's talk about the Reggae Girls real quick. And honestly, it's gonna be tough. Now the girls did so well coming a qualifying through the qualifying rounds into the final round of it, World Cup qualifiers, and I know it's gonna be tough. We're playing against Canada and USA. Now, before the draw came up, I was worried. I was worried about the draw before it came out. But then when the draw actually came out and we saw that USA, Mexico, and Haiti will be in the same group with Jamaica, I was like, damn, that'll be tough. And I'm playing against Mexico in Mexico. It's just going to be rough. It's going to be very rough. But I do have faith in these girls. I do have faith in Khadija Palmer and the crew that they can put it together and do it. So let's just hope that the heroics of the previous regime from the last World Cup can make it back to the World Cup again. All we can do is hope, people. All we can do is hope. Now, before we get into the Manchester United side of things, let me just address the last couple of days. Manchester United got beaten horribly by Liverpool. It was bad. It was absolutely horrible. No, I didn't watch the game. I got home, changed very quickly, and went back to the gym. I didn't want to see it because I know I had a feeling within me that we're going to get beat. I didn't want to witness a 5-lane that we did last time. So I went to the gym and I checked my phone periodically. Saw the 1-0, 2-0. I was like, all right, cool. It's 2-0, half time. Let's hope we can hit into that 2-0 and just, leave it for the rest of the day. But it ended 4-0, people. And it was bad knowing that Manchester United is playing like that with the type of players that we have. But we know that the team is in need of a rebuild. And we know that Scotia's deficiency, even though he had a lot, he had some good wins, had some good results. He had a very good season last year. So, we started off the season thinking, hey, this could be the season that we push a little bit further, crawl some of the points away from Man City and hopefully do better, but it just didn't work out. And the players just disappointed. Disappointed. Social lost his job. The new coach come in and he didn't do anything either. So now we have a brand new coach that got announced today, Eric Ten Hag. And I'm very excited about Ten Hag. I'm very excited about what he can do. I'm excited about what I've heard, from what I've seen, and from me watching Ajax play for the past 4 weeks. I kind of understand the way he wants to play. I see the type of football that he wants to play, his style of football. And I'm excited about the direction which Manchester United is going. However, let's pull it back a little bit, because before we get Ten Hag into the team, we have to get some of these players out. So first, we could talk about the inevitable, right? One matter, out. He wants to leave. His contract is over anyway. He wants to play football. He's not playing football right now. So, all right, you can go. Matic, he wants to go. He has 1 more year in his contract. He wants to go. Fine. Bye. Anthony Martial, he said that he wanted to leave earlier this year. We didn't let him leave. He came back into this year at the middle of the season, said he wants to leave. We gave him an opportunity to go. When he comes back this year, Eric Ten Hag to impress upon him his style of play and how he wants to play. If he has the opportunity to play for Manchester United, he may, but I think he should go. Bye. Paul Pogba, contract is over. Gone. Bye. I don't want to see or hear from you anymore. Paul Pogba, if you do a pull off a Tevez and move to Manchester City, go ahead and win with Manchester City. I do not care. I do not care. Just go, fam. Just go. Jesse Lingard, contract's over. Gone. Eric Bailly, you want to leave. You have a 3-year contract. You just signed a 3-year contract last year. And you're not playing any football. And even when you're injured, you're not injured. You're injured, you're not injured. Bye. Harry Maguire, bye. You paid 80 million for this man 3 years ago. He's bye. Luke Shaw, bye. If you're going to say anything else about that, just bye. Now, Aaron Wan-Bissaka is probably the best tackler I have ever seen in modern day football. This man, you can't get past him for nothing. You cannot get past him for nothing. This man literally end Raheem Sterling's career when he comes to Manchester United and Manchester City. However, he can't play the ball for shit. He can't cross it. He can barely pass it. Bye. David De Gea. You can stay. And only because Henderson wants to leave. Now, will he leave as someone buying him, or will he leave on a loan? I think he needs to be on a loan. So that way when he goes and play in the league this year, he can come back a decent, well-trained player so David De Gea can go. Phil Jones, played 3 games in the last 5 years, bye. And it's not because you are a bad player, you're just a bad player. Bye. Rashford. Marcus fucking Rashford. Now, I know you were struggling with injuries last year, and you did it brilliantly last year. 25 goals. Brilliant season. And when you came back from injury, when you came back from the Euros, went to surgery, came back from surgery back in October, it's just been downward ever since. And I understand that you're playing without pain anymore. You're playing without pain. So it's probably kind of difficult for you to enjoy your football because you don't have a nagging in your side. I don't know how you transfer that to fight psychologically. But you have the opportunity right now to build yourself under Eric Ten Hag to become the leading goal scorer at Manchester United. You can't fuck that up. You cannot fuck that up. No, I'm this close to saying Manchester United should sell him. But surely. Don't tell me. Don't sell me. Don't sell me. Wait. Bruno, he just signed a new contract. And he has been shit ever since. I don't want to see what happened to Aubameyang happen to you. I don't want to see Aubameyang sign a new contract and then he became shit after that. So you have 3 games left, 4 games left. Play the best as you can. Go and qualify for your World Cup. Take a relax. Come back with the new manager. Play your football the way you know how to play football, bro. Cavani, bye. Can go and go play somewhere else. Go on to Uruguay. Go on to Argentina. Go on to Brazil. Just bye. Sancho, you're good. You spend 1 year, had a bad start off, real bad, but you start going to it. I haven't seen you in the last 2 games, but you get a blind. Ronaldo, leading goal scorer. The man who's been saving us for the past year. Still one of the greatest footballers I have ever seen. You get one more chance. And only because we don't have an alternative in terms of strikers. Remember that. We don't have alternatives. Now, we might get new strikers coming in, maybe 1, definitely not 2, but 1. So I need you. So make the Champions League, fam, because I don't want to see you playing in the Conference Cup, in the Conference League, or the Conference Cup or Europa League. So Eric Ten Hag has an opportunity right now to come in, shed some of those players out, without those who are leaving on a free or selling them out, and bringing new players. I can't wait to see the new players that he'll be bringing in the next 2 months. He needs to impress on himself upon the team. Show the team what he wants to do and how he wants to do it. Now, it won't take a year. Probably take 2 years, 3 years. But let's give them an opportunity to build the team and build Manchester United. Let's forget about winning the championship. Let's win a cup, 2 cups. Let's build ourselves up, people. But let's get rid of all the people who don't know how to understand what it is to win at Manchester United. Let's forget about the players who will win a 1 game and put it on social media and go dark for the next 2 weeks because they're losing the next game after. We're not business about social media. We're business about likes or dislikes. We need people who want to win. We need people who want to win. Now we're trail Arsenal by 3. Liverpool, Tottenham by 3. If we beat Arsenal this weekend, that means we level on points with them and hope Tottenham lose again, which gives us 3 games or 4 games. All we have to do is better the score for Tottenham and Arsenal. I think we can do it. I think we should do it. But boy, oh boy, these man. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the 4th Official. Make sure you drop a like on video, subscribe if you're new. Bless of yourself, bless of others. Manaz.